Alright, we are gonna make some salmon cream pasta today. So all we need is lemon, which costs way too much because I'm in Japan, some garlic, you can use onions. I like using shallots because I just like shallots more. Salt, obviously, some butter to make it a little bit more creamy or emulsify a little bit better. Some salmon fillets. I'm using 4 small ones. You can use a big one, and then you can also shred it and put it into the cream. You will need to use some cream. I was gonna try making it without cream and using just cheese and lemon juice. Try to make a cream, kind of like you would do with carbonara or cacio e pepe, but I gave in. I was like, this is my only food today, might as well have cream. And some Parmigiano Reggiano. You can use any cheese you want, honestly, I don't give a fuck. We are not celebrating summer by any means. We hate summer in this chat. Tanji will disagree with me, but does disregard that. We hate it. But it is a dish I enjoy in summer, so. Man, this is a juicy lemon, what the fuck? That's a lot of juice for 1/2. Isn't used to serve with popular in summer? Yes, but it is done with frozen yuzu. I mean, some late trees also, like some trees would bloom late, but for the most part it is a winter fruit. Wait, I might be... Actually, no, I'm getting confused. I'm thinking of kabosu, which is the one from where I am living in. Yuzu is spring, summer. Yes. So you know how with cacio e pepe or with carbonara you make a paste with either the egg yolk or pasta water and cheese? Well, we're gonna do that with the lemon juice and the cheese. It should work. I don't see why not. Okay, let me clean this up and then we'll start cooking the fish. Don't mind the sound. I would say, depending on what you want to try, some fish markets are better than others. Like if you want to try uni, fish markets in Hokkaido are better than outside of Hokkaido. Because the uni in Hokkaido is way better than everywhere else. I used to despise uni until I tried it in Hokkaido and I was like, wait, this is actually good. Now the way they're cut is not the best for the plate I'm doing. Salmon is so easy to overcook, by the way, so just be careful. If you break it, doesn't matter because it's going in a sauce anyways, but for presentation you don't want to break it if possible.
Ooh, let's go!
More black pepper, because why not? Yeah, that should be done. What the heck? Dude, that cooked way faster than I thought. And then we cook the shallots in the same oil as the salmon. No point in wasting that oil anyways. You might be asking, why am I using an overly large pan for my cooking? Anyways, they wash the beef up. Wait, what? Why would after cooking it? Also, isn't the water just gonna not do anything to the grease because grease and water don't mix? What the fuck? You're just washing away the seasoning from your meat. Can someone tell me when like 10 minutes have passed so I can go check on the pasta? I forgot to set a timer. There we go. Anytime you're cooking pasta and you're making a sauce like this, save some of the pasta water so you can change the consistency of your sauce if you want to. And then some more of that cheese and lemon juice. Make sure I get everything there because Both the lemon and the cheese are not cheap here.
Huh? Huh? What happened? What happened?
My wallet! Empty!
So anytime you're using a cheese like Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino, do not put too much salt. You're gonna adjust it later because the cheese is gonna add a lot of saltiness to it. Alright, I'm gonna use this for plating. I'm gonna put the pasta and the sauce in there. And I'm gonna chop up some parsley and we are done. I forgot the butter, but honestly, I don't think we need butter. It would add a nice glossy texture, but I don't think we need it. Made Japanese curry and added heavy cream and instant. Why would you do that? Wait, no, that's just disrespectful, man. But it does sound like it's gonna taste good. It's one of those that is like, it sounds horrible culturally, but it sounds really good food-wise. Yeah, we didn't need to use any of the...
Look at the top of his head!
Any of the pasta water that we saved, but just in case, it was good that we had it. Not the best plating, but hey, looks good if you ask me. These are vinyl gloves. I'm sorry. Get your stuff right, man. They are good for safe to eat food or ready to eat food, and they look good. And if you get a cut, they are strong enough that they will obviously split if you cut it, but it won't cut your finger. So I would take the trade. Oh my god. You guys need to try this. Holy shit. It's so good. Also, this is my breakfast. So that's probably making it taste even better. That is penne. Like we would say in Spanish, amo el pene. And then, cause I'm lazy and I don't want to go grate more cheese, we're gonna use this fucking heresy of a cheese. Can you send me the recipe? I'm gonna, yes, I'll probably make this into a YouTube video. So say hi YouTube. And yeah, I'll add the recipe on the Discord as well.
10 seconds later.
I don't think I should be putting Tabasco. I don't know if it'll blend well with the sauce, but let's see. Maybe it'll go well, actually. That's actually very good. Never mind. You hadn't eaten anything? Hey, I think with how heavy that meal was, it makes up for it, okay?